hope you're having an amazing day. Happy Tuesday. I am filming this on Tuesday at exactly 8:47 a.m. because everyone is sleeping, so hopefully there's no interruptions, except my dog is like right here, Marley. Let me see if he wants to say hi to you guys. It's right here. Marley always sneaks in when I go to the restroom, so I'm gonna be in here. So as you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a tag, and I did want to mention, usually on the last upload of the month, I do my not so makeupy voiceover. This month has been, wild for everyone. It's just different, so I don't feel like filming that today, so I'm not going to upload that today. I am going to upload episode 6 next month. Let's see how it goes. Let's see where we're at next month, but for the month of March, I'm not gonna upload a not so makeupy voiceover, but I will have the playlist linked down below if you want to catch up on those. I have a total of 5 episodes right now. Yes, and I am wearing my glasses because apparently my grandma called me yesterday as soon as she heard that they don't recommend people put on their contact lenses because of the virus and blah blah blah. They called me, and so they told me not to wear my contacts, and usually I wouldn't listen, but this is a serious thing, so you know what, I'm just gonna keep my glasses on. And I just threw on some gloss, some mascara, and I am wearing my new glasses. These are actually new. I don't know if you guys remember. I'll put a picture of how my old ones looked. I'll take a screenshot from a different video or something. So these are black. I like them a lot more just because I feel like the other ones were really big. Let me know what you think. So I am kind of slanted today because of the glare. So like I said, we're gonna do a tag video, and this one's called the Would You Rather tag, and this one was made by Gooch, and it consists of 9 questions. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So number 1 is, would you rather have a bad base or bad eye makeup? That's tough, actually. I think I'd rather have a bad eye makeup because we have those all the time, like bad eyeshadow days or whatever, and it's just like, okay, whatever, I'll wipe it off at the end of the day and then try again tomorrow. And not every day are you gonna get a good eyeshadow look. Like, I think we've all been there. But when it comes to the base being bad, it just ruins everything, and it's more visible, and like I feel like I can definitely remember not liking my makeup a lot more when my base didn't look good than when my eyeshadow didn't look good. So I would say a bad eye makeup. So would you rather wear a neutral eye for the rest of your life or a neutral lip? I'd say a neutral lip, just because you could do whatever you want with your eyeshadow and experiment. Okay, I would say neutral eye look for the rest of my life, just because I love colorful lipsticks and liquid lipsticks. As you saw from my liquid lipstick collection that I uploaded a couple weeks ago, I have it linked down below if you didn't watch it. But I have a lot of colorful lipsticks and stuff, so I'd say neutral eye, colorful lip, just because neutral eye you could kind of experiment with some darker neutral color. Number 3, would you rather wear the wrong shade of foundation or no foundation at all? Well, I feel like I'm not good at shade matching myself. I already choose the wrong shade, so it's like I'm already there. So I'd rather wear the wrong shade than no foundation at all. Today I'm not wearing any makeup except for mascara and lipstick, just because I was too lazy. I was literally gonna do a full face and wear a cuter shirt, but Number 4, would you rather give up primer or setting spray? I think I'd rather give up primer, just because I think I mentioned it before that at the end of my makeup I feel like it looks kind of powdery, so when you do set your face I feel like it works, like it just meshes everything together. So I'd much rather skip primer, which I actually have done a couple times because I forget, and I mean it doesn't make like a huge difference, so I'd say I'd skip out on primer. Number 5, would you rather not wear makeup for a whole year or not drink coffee for a year? I'd rather not drink coffee for a year because I don't drink coffee, but I do drink, well, I don't like coffee, but I get the fraps from McDonald's, the mocha one, and apparently it has coffee in it. So if I had to give up on that, I mean, I would rather give up on coffee than makeup. I just love doing my makeup and experimenting with different colors and trying out new products and stuff and panning old products. So I'd say I'll not drink coffee for a whole year. Number 6, would you rather have only 60 seconds to do your daily makeup routine or have a full glam 1-hour transformation every time you do your makeup? If I had the time to do an hour, I'd say I'll take that instead of the 60 seconds, because 60 seconds is just gonna fly by and I'm gonna be anxious and trying to put it on fast and not even have time to make it look good. So what's the point? So I'd rather take the 1-hour transformation every day. I basically already do that, but yeah. Number 7, would you rather only use mattes or only shimmers? Okay, if I have to pick one, I'd say mattes, because I can pair it with a gloss and then that kind of brings in the sparkle a little more. Yeah, so I'll say mattes. Number 8, would you rather not do makeup for a year or never watch another YouTube video again? Oh my god, how dare they ask this question? Man, I love watching makeup YouTube videos. Like, that's like all I watch. Okay, I would rather not do my makeup for a whole year because, and I love doing my makeup as I mentioned, but not watch a makeup video, that's gonna be tough, because if you watch makeup videos, you're gonna want to try new stuff and new techniques and try new products. But if you can't even wear makeup, but then I could live through the person doing their makeup and it's just like, oh, like I wish I could do that. But it's only a year, so I'd go without makeup for a year and be able to watch YouTube videos so I could be entertained and try new techniques, and then when the time comes, and appreciate it more, definitely, and let my skin breathe, because I wear makeup way too much. But number 9 is our last one. One has to go: highlight, bronzer, or blush. So if I had to let one go, I love blush, but bronzer really brings the face together and it just makes it look more sculpted and beautiful. Highlight, I'd say I'd skip highlight because I could just use an eyeshadow. Yeah, so I'd get rid of highlight. So that was it for today's makeup video, makeup tag video. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the questions are going to be down below, as well as some videos from last week that I uploaded. I did upload all of last week, Monday through Friday. I was supposed to upload Saturday and Sunday. It didn't work out, but I did do Monday through Friday, so I have that playlist down below. It was fun, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end. It would be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like. I hope you guys are doing okay and your families are safe and sound, staying home, washing your hands, all of that good stuff. And we'll get through this together, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.